In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore a database that was accidentally deleted on Hostinger. If you've ever deleted a database by mistake, you know how stressful it can be, especially if your website suddenly stops working. The good news is that if backups are enabled on your Hostinger account, you can restore your database in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can recover your data safely and get your site back online. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical hosting tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, go to hostinger.com and log into your Hostinger account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see a list of your hosting plans and websites. Locate the website connected to the deleted database. Next to that website, click on Dashboard. This will open the hosting management area for that specific site. Inside the website dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Scroll down until you find the Backups option and click on it. This is where Hostinger stores your automatic backups, depending on your hosting plan. You'll now see a list of available backup dates. It's very important here to choose a backup date from before the database was deleted. For example, if you deleted the database today, select a backup from yesterday or an earlier date when everything was still working correctly. After selecting the appropriate date, you'll be given different restore options. Choose Database Backup. This ensures that you are only restoring the database and not overwriting your website files unless absolutely necessary. Once you click on Database Backup, Hostinger will display the list of databases available in that backup. Find the database you want to restore. Double-check the name to make sure you're selecting the correct one. When you've confirmed it's the right database, click the Restore button next to it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the restoration. Go ahead and confirm. Hostinger will now begin the restoration process. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of the database. During this time, avoid making changes to your website. Once the process is complete, you should see a confirmation message letting you know the database has been successfully restored. After that, it's a good idea to test your website immediately. Open your site in a new browser tab, refresh the page, and check the areas that were previously showing errors. If the database was the issue, your website should now be functioning normally again. And that's it. That's how you restore a database that was accidentally deleted on Hostinger. As long as you have backups available, the recovery process is straightforward and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always make sure automatic backups are enabled in your hosting plan, and consider downloading manual backups before making major changes to your website. It can save you a lot of stress in situations like this. If this tutorial helped you restore your database, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and website management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.